Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all the different sticker kits that were released in February. I like to do this at the end of the month instead of at the start because it means that if there's anything here you like, it is now available. You don't have to wait for it, you don't have to figure out what day it's coming out. So anything here is currently available on my Etsy shop, HappyCloudInc. I also do have a normal shop, I guess, like its own domain, HappyCloudInc.com, but that one's not quite updated yet. I am planning to get around to it. Be on the lookout for that. I think I'll do a proper video on that once I get around to doing it. But anyways, let's just get right into the releases. So in the first week of February, I released the watermelon kit. Right now I have two versions of a theme. So like if there's like the watermelon theme, I'll have two kits. So I have the Hobonichi Weeks, which is this one, which is the general kit. And then this is a little add-on for like $1.50. You can add this on. I generally just like using this one, but I know that some people like to have extra boxes, so there's an option there. And then I also did the vertical kits. So this vertical kit has been slightly modified. I actually think I prefer this one better than the format of my old kits. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm going to stick with this format for a little longer, and if I like it, I might go back and reformat all my old kits. But anyways, my old vertical kits actually came with 7 sheets and then an add-on, which was an artwork sheet, so it was like 8 in total if you wanted, and that would be for like $22.50. I decided that I'm just going to condense it all into 7 sheets, no more add-ons, and the whole thing is $20. So I just felt it was a little bit easier, and I removed some stickers that I felt people weren't using anyways. Like I personally don't use them to plan anymore. So starting off, we have the bottom washi strips and some habit trackers. We now have the ombre check boxes, but instead of having 8, I used to have 8. I never used all 8. I rarely see people use all 8. Maybe they'll use half of them, so I decided I'd keep 4 of them, and instead I'd move the glitter headers here. I still like using these glitter headers, so I put them down here, but I'm always open to any feedback. If you guys are heavy into vertical kits and how you like to plan, this is just how I personally like to plan. But yeah, so I've merged these together, and then we have the quarter boxes, half boxes as per usual. This I love. I'm thinking of actually adding more into the kits in the future because I use these so extensively. We have the activity boxes, and then we have the headers. And then this is the new sheet that's kind of modified. The glitter headers used to be on this side, but I decided to put in the artwork here instead. You still have your icons, you still have your I guess weekly trackers, and then instead I put some scripts in here because I like using these scripts quite often. I always tend to gravitate. I have my own script sets in the shop. I have lots of different listings for just scripts alone, but rather than always reaching for those, I thought if I added to the kit, then I could just use it all in one go. So for those who don't want to be buying separate stickers that are just scripts, at least this is here for you guys. And then this is the date covers, some check boxes, so you still get more check boxes anyways, weekend banner, and then this is the full boxes. But yeah, this is the watermelon kit. I love the colors, it's very summery. It's kind of perfect because February is the last month of summer for Melbourne right now, and then we are going over into autumn in March. So this was all released in the first week. In the next week, I ended up releasing some more script stickers. So I feel like every month I'm probably going to release a bunch of different script stickers, and hopefully I'll be able to cover a good range of text. And I'm more just adding text in as I need them. So the first one is day off, just to mark off any days off that you might have. The next one is, I'm trying to separate them, groceries. So my script stickers do come in different shapes and sizes. That's why there's like 4 of them. Right now, all of them come in this like heavier font in a small size and a medium size, and then this thinner font in a small size and a medium size. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep maintaining all 4 because personally I prefer this one, but I know some people really like this one. That's why I just kind of did all 4. Honestly, when I was thinking of this, I was about to do 8. And then I decided I'm just going to stick to these 4 versions and then kind of see where people are, what people usually buy, and then I might cull it back. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I like to introduce like more handwritten ones. This is all very script-like, but I'd like to introduce maybe a handwritten version or a typed version, and I don't think we need like 2 cursive types, but anyways, that's just personal opinion. We also have bath time, which I use a lot because I bathe my baby every day now. So actually this is like a common occurrence. And then errands, just any errands you have to run, and then payday. So those are the 5 different texts that I introduced in February. And then after that, I introduced a ton more icons. I am like on an icon kick. I love mini icons so much. So I'm just gonna keep releasing them. I feel like I'm gonna end up with like hundreds of them in the shop, and I'm okay with that because I use these extensively in my Hobonichi weeks. So the range I decided to introduce this month was self-care, because I kind of go by what I'm missing. I needed groceries, so I did that. I was planning travel in January, so I released travel. And now I'm getting back into a bit more self-care, so I decided to release these. I don't know what March is, I don't know what April is, but I'm just going to go based on what makes sense for me, and hopefully it covers what you guys want as well. So this one is a mixed sheet of all the self-care. I think it's just missing the bath. So bath is one of the self-cares that is not going to see, you're not going to see here just because it's not a new release. It came along in the general listing. If you're not familiar, I have like a overall general listing that has all like just general icons that are a little bit more common, but Etsy does have a variation limit, so I can only add about 70 per listing, and I definitely know I want to add more than just that. So that's why I started branching out on specialist listings. So even though I have the general listing that has the common icons, I have a grocery listing that goes into a bit more detail. The travel listing also goes into more detail, and now we've got the self-care listing that will go into more detail. So yeah, I know that some people prefer to have everything in one listing, and I wish I could do that, but the platform physically caps you at 70, and so that's the reason. So this is kind of a mixed one. It's just missing the bath icon, but other than that, this is what it is. I prefer these ones, so you get a little bit of everything. And this is the face mask icon, hair drying icon, flat iron or hair straightener icon. This is, I use this as a styling icon. It's just a comb, but you could use it for like brushing out your hair or styling. This I use as my yoga icon. It's like this really beautiful flower. Hair washing. I don't wash my hair every day, so I actually do like to mark down when I wash my hair. This is technically makeup, lipstick. I might expand on this later on and add different types of makeup items, but for now I kind of use this as representative of makeup. The yin yang is for meditation. This is scissors. Again, you could use this for like cutting paper or whatever, but I use this more as a haircut, so it represents when I get my haircuts. Lash extensions. This is a little nail clipper, so when you trim your nails. Nail polish for when you do your nails. Skincare, little tub of cream, and then sunscreen. So those are all the self-care icons. And then finally, in the last week of February, just one simple listing. It's this one here. It's a cat mood tracker. So I already have a mood tracker listing in the shop, and I've been loving that. I've been using it extensively for one of my Hobonichi weeks, my memory keep. I always want to introduce more cat stickers into the shop because I am a proud cat owner of, well, I have many cats. Between my entire family, we have 5 cats. I am obsessed with them. I love them so much. And so cat is just a general theme that I love. Weirdly enough, cat is not my favorite animal, but I feel like it's pretty close. So I thought these would be so cute to track your emotions. If you're a cat person and you are doing mood tracking, then I'm going to start using these as so cute. So yeah, that is everything for February. If you're interested, everything is in the shop, and hopefully in another month or 2 I will get my Shopify, like my main shop, set up so it is in sync with everything on Etsy. But right now, if you want to get any of these, you have to go to my Etsy shop, which I will link down below. Just thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.